Creating a Workday account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Workday is a cloud-based financial management and human capital management software that helps organizations manage their financial and personnel operations. To start, go to the Workday website and click on the Sign Up or Register button. Depending on the option available, you will be prompted to enter your email address and other basic information such as your name and organization. Once you have entered the required information, you will receive an email from Workday to verify your email address. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. After verifying your email address, you will be asked to create a password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that meets the password requirements specified by Workday. Next, you will be asked to provide additional information such as your job title and department. This information will help Workday tailor the account to your specific needs and provide you with relevant features and functionality. After completing the registration process, you will be logged into your Workday account. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and the various features and tools available. It is also a good idea to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that your data remains secure. Finally, take some time to explore the various features and functionality of Workday, including the financial management and human capital management tools. Workday also provides a range of training and support resources to help you get the most out of the software. By following these steps, you can create a Workday account and start using the software to manage your organization's financial and personnel operations. Remember to always follow best practices for password management and account security to ensure that your account remains secure.